y'all? How y'all doing? As you well may know, there is a global pandemic going around with the coronavirus. And even though most states are under quarantine, me being me, I can't stay in the house all day, every day. I need something to do. Like, I'm tired of eating up all my food. I'm not even going to have no food for next week. And I'm tired of sleeping all the time. Most of the time, I can't even go to sleep. So what better way to uplift your spirit through this quarantine than to find something that brings you joy? Something that makes you laugh. What I'm going to do is react to Cortez Hearns and his sneezing prank on his Grandma Sabrina. Y'all know I love me some Cortez, so I got to see what he all about right now. I actually ran into this video on his Facebook page. I decided not to press play yet because I wanted to save my reaction for this YouTube video. Let's get it.
Jane getting on my nerve. You know, every time I look around, he want me to take him somewhere or he want to borrow $1. You know, take him somewhere. My car don't burn water.
Water?
Yeah. If somebody asking you to come take you somewhere, hey, ain't never got no money, I assume that they think the car burning enough water. You know? Yeah, they ain't got nothing to do. Shit. Cole, I just paid some shit. Why you got this mask on?
Hey, nah, Grandma, I was coughing all this morning. I ain't want to spread nothing, you know, just in case. I don't want to be coughing nobody's face.
What you mean, just in case?
Just in case. I don't know, you know, I just coughing. Keep on coughing.
Well, you know what? Why don't you just let me get in the back?
Nah, you good.
Boy, why you put your hands on me? Don't do
you
that.
getting all aggressive for?
Yeah, but you don't know. It's like you say, you don't know what you got.
You got in my car, shoot.
Yeah, but don't be putting your hand on me. Don't do that.
All right then. Calm down. You just aggressive like I'm trying to wreck you.
No, but
you
don't
my
do
grandma.
that. No, yeah, but you just said, hey, you coughing. Don't do that. Don't put your hand on me like that.
Man.
You make me think you got something.
What?
Yeah. Anyway, you let me get in the back.
Man, what you gonna ride in the back for? You might as well just, hey, get out there.
Well, I might as well get out. You putting your damn hands all over me. Don't do that. Shit, I need to find my sanitizer. Shit. I ain't putting your hands all on people.
Is she looking for her mask?
Don't do that. I know goddamn well.
Grandma.
I know damn well you
I ain't try to. I did not try to.
I know damn well you ain't sneeze on me like that.
Dang, look at all that snot, man.
That don't make no kind of sense. Look at him. Oh, shit. Now, this is pure nasty.
Dang, my spit stink. Smell that.
Don't.
All right.
Don't put your
I
hand
apologize.
on me.
My mind
Let me
tripping
get
right
in
now.
the back.
No, don't. Hey, Grandma, come on. Hey, Grandma, I promise. I ain't try to. I did not try to.
Don't put your hand on me.
You showing out in front of everybody. Everybody looking now. Come on, man. Let's close the door.
Shit, everybody who?
Everybody around in the hood. I need to go to the hospital. I'm sneezing.
Shit. Well, hey, you should go head on to the hospital. You need to go to the hospital.
You need to go with me.
What? I need to go with you.
That's why I was going really far to come get you to come ride with me.
Shit. You can go by yourself. Now, why do I need to go with you?
Because ain't nobody else around right now. And I've been calling everybody. Even my homeboys ain't picking up. My homeboy Allen, who locked up, talking about it's all up there in the prison.
Yes, it's everywhere. But the dumbest thing is, ain't nobody got no toilet paper. What toilet paper got to do with this whole thing? Huh?
How you know?
I saw it on news.
You don't watch no news.
Yeah, that's what y'all think. Y'all, I don't know what make y'all think I don't watch the news. You know? Why y'all think I don't watch the news? But, Cole, let me get in the back. Come on now.
What that gonna do?
Just...
If I got it, you got it. We die together, Grandma.
I love you.
I love you. You love me. I love you.
But let me out. I don't want it. You need to let me out. Just let me out, please. Let me out.
Let her out, Cortez. Let her out.
Hold on.
But
Hold on.
Don't put your hand on me.
All right, I'm gonna take you home then. You wanna go to the hospital with me?
No, don't put your hand on me.
You wanna go to the hospital then?
No, don't put your hand on me. No, I don't need to go to the hospital. No. This right here. Sanitizer. This don't make sense.
Well, shut him up.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you something. Now, Cole, if you put your hand on me again, I'm gonna forget you my grandson.
Oh! Oh! Oh, that's a threat?
Yes! Now, don't put your hand on me no more.
Hey, no.
I'm gonna forget you my grandson. Don't do that.
Boy, that's evil, Grandma.
Evil.
Boy, boy, get out of here, boy. Oh, get out of here, boy.
Oh,
The devil never welcome here.
I'm gonna forget. Yes, I am. He's right here. Sneezing and snorting and
Snort. I got some powder for you. I got some powder for you. If you want some powder.
No, I don't want no powder.
Somebody snorting. I ain't snorting.
You through your nose or something. You doing something. Shit,
I'm finna take you back home then.
You doing right. You let me out of here. No.
We die together. Hey, that's a song?
No, I don't know about that.
We cry together. You my grandma.
Hey, you gonna make me mad. Now stop.
Oh my goodness. As usual, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I put up another video. With that being said, I will see y'all in the next one.